Welcome everybody to our show. This is Custom Fab Garage on our channel Octane TV on YouTube. Make sure you go down below and hit that subscribe button, and on top of that, make sure that you hit the notification bell so that you can get all the new content that comes out weekly and even every day. This thing is so bright. It's hard to really understand how bright it is until you knock down the lighting, but it looks really awesome. I like it because you can barely even see the subs in there. It looks cool. Alright, so Beavis built this for the battery because these lithium cells are just sitting here in the back, almost about to touch this metal, done hit my rings and arced me. So he made this nice little box cubby. Works really good to keep this thing safe and not burning this truck to the ground. So thank you, Beavis. Well, Beavis, aka Beavis, made a real nice little piece up here to go in here so we can put some real nice speakers in here versus that thing. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna go ahead and make this to where we can make it a lot more center channel-ish than what they had in there before.
Is that what you're asking?
taking the pods off again. This will be the third time. We're adding this new mesh into here. The customer wanted aluminum mesh put into here. So we're doing that along with, this will be the first vehicle I've ever done triple layer, 1, 2, 3, LED, plexi, and mesh. First one I've ever done like this. So if people understood how much work goes into building all this to get to fit into here correctly, this is so many layers to make all this stuff fit correctly. This isn't just, we just took a door panel, cut it up. We made all this to fit perfectly onto there. So, and then all this is hand fabricated. No CNC, no nothing. We had all this stuff built by hand and already smudges on it. Beavis just finished up this for his front speakers, looking really good. it.